Come back to my another video. Shoo, what do you think about my body? I'm sorry. Okay, so next, this is my fifth video of solving Excel problem from the belajarexcel.id. Still using that website, and that is because this is like the best, not the best, but perfect website to learn about the Excel and how learn to solving a problem in here. Okay, anyways, let's go straight to the answer, to the question. In here, it become like gradually harder, rather than before, rather than the last question, right? So, okay, let's go through this. They already provide the table that we have to show the answer, my answer in here. And there is 7 questions in here that I have to solve. Interesting. So let's get through. Fill the answer. Jabatan. What is jabatan in English? I don't know. Minister? No. From the first character and third character from the third column code. Okay. There is no helping table. One character from Oh, okay, got it. So the first question that I have to solve is I need to bahasa Inggrisnya jabatan itu apa pula? Where's my phone? I need to search about that vocabulary. What is the English for jabatan? Position, title. Office position. Really? Role. Job title. Okay, the job title. That is easier. Okay, so I have to solve the job title in here, which is the source. The source value that I have to make it as a reference is this, the code value, which is the first letter from the code value. And then I have to show the value in here, this division, distributor, engineering, production, and quality control. So, okay, let's get through to solve this. I can use the VLOOKUP, which is the basic lookup. And then the lookup value is the first character from the code column. So I can use, or I can utilize the left function to solve this. The tag is exactly this. The number character is 1. Table array, this one. Don't forget to lock the main source with the F4, right? Call index num, which is which value I want to show in this table, right? So number 2, because in here the code, the reference is the H in H column, ABCD, and the division name or the role in here, job role. Range lookup is 0. And close it. What? Table array colon index num, range lookup. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I have more than one close parenthesis, so that's why it's true. A distributor, it should be right. And then I just have to drop it down. A from distributor, and that is right. B for engineering. C, what about C? C for production. Okay, D, what about D? Quality control. Okay, that's right. So let's next to the second question. Fill the status column with the first character or the last character from the code source. The last. Okay, easy. So in here, I need to use the condition value. Yeah, condition value. I can use the if, or there's a switch function. But in here, I think they want me to use the basic function first to solve the problem. Because sometimes when I use like the advanced function, when I check my answer, sometimes even the answer is exactly the same, but the way I solve the problem, maybe I use the complex or the advanced function, it won't work. Maybe the value they will like get is decreased. Like it should be 10, but I just got like an 8 or 7, like that. Like they will put the information like the inappropriate function, something like that. So just the basic, right? So in here, I can use the if function. The logical text mean what if situation met. What if the function, what does the function have to do if there meet some like condition. So if the left or the right or the last character from this code source, number 1, is M, it means married. But if false, which is the S, it means single. They haven't married yet. I can use that and then can just drop it down. Single, married, single. Easy. Okay, let's next to the question number 3. Fill the division column that get from first character and division Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, I make a mistake in here. I'm so sorry. So I get like the terbalik itu apa bahasa Indonesia? Reverse, not reverse. I don't know how to explain it, but in Indonesia, I should like use this function in here, the first number first. Like I have to put it number 3, so I just can simply copy it and then go in here. But what the heck? Why the background also change? So I need to change it to this, and then the border should be white. Okay, just copy like this, exactly. So if the okay. So the first question asked I need to take, or I need to get the middle from the code character when it is 1. When is it mid 1, it should be the leader. Number 2 is the staff, and number 3 is operator. Okay, so I can use the if function as well. Logical text, I can utilizing the mid value, which is to get like the middle value of something. The text is C53, the start number 3, and then number chart, or how many character that I want to show, exactly 1, right? So if means mid. Oh wait. I think if I only use this function, it won't works. It wouldn't works because the character in the middle, which is number 1, 2, even though they are, when we see it like a straightforward, it is a number, but Excel like store that value become a string or become text because they mixed between like the letter like a M and then the slash, what, not slash, like the apa sih strip itu, yeah, like the strip. So the number 1, 2, and 3 become like the string or the character. So I'll still use the value function as well. Simply value function used to change the string value, like the number value, like initially they are in a string, they become like a real number. So if this 1, it's mean like kepala, and if the value meets C53, 3 number 1 is exactly 2, it means staff. And if they all not meet the condition that I've already provided, so they are operator. Oh my goodness, wait. What? Oh, sorry. Value, what? Oh, shit. Yeah. Plus stuff. Yep, it's already right. Okay, let's get through the for question. Number 4. Fill it the base salary based on the help table. Easy. I can use the VLOOKUP function, and the lookup value is based on the division of the workers. So simply just use this, and then the table array, I should use this one, and don't forget to lock it with F4, call index number 2, and exactly appropriate, and just copy it down exactly. Tunjangan anak. If they are married, each children independently they get like 25,000. Okay. If this status equal married, it's mean like value times 25,000, 1, 2, 3. If false, 0. Married, single, 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 single. Okay, right. Number 6, the total of the salary based on the pokok itu apa? Based on the gaji pokok tambah tunjangan anak. Okay, so just sum. You can use the sum function. Number 1 is this one plus 15. Just simply copy it down. Exactly. Oh, and here I can use the shortcut of the sum function, which is you can type the alt and then the equal button simultaneously. I think so. Exactly right. The highest salary will be max. Number, we should use this. And the lowest, you can use the max and lower, not lower. Max and minimum is this. The average, you can use this. And how many workers are there? So I can simply use the count. 10. Okay. To make sure it like is it all of my answer correctly or is not correctly, I will split my screen and then use this feature which is in the Excel test, and then just go to the sort tag question, go to the name, copy the code of the question, copy the code of the answer, and then check it out. Okay, there is a 2 mistake that I have did, which is the first and number 3. What about switch? I'll try to use the switch function. Switch function is the mid of the text. This 3 1 equal 1 mean blah, 2 mean stuff, and 3 means operator. And then this one, what is my mistake? Division A C3 number 1. Should be right. Let's copy it again. Dang, what's wrong? Should I What function can I use? What about if value meet? Oh man, well, if three one equal 2 means stuff 3 operator. Why I always forgotten to close this? And what happened? One mistake. Still mistake, guys. Kenapa ya? Why? Why has it happened? I don't know. But if I use the if right over through three equal 1 allow if right C53 3 equal 2 means stuff, and then if 3 they are operator. Why 1 2 3 what right C53 3. Oh, you got this. Okay, got it. If the mid of C53 equal 3 1 2 3 equal 1 means 1, which means kepala, right? If mid C53 3 and 1 equal 2 means staff, and if they are wrong it's operator. What about this? I want to solve it like what is it called? What the hang? Here we come again. Wait. There's something problem. So, like I said before, it is even though we are already solved the problem and the answer exactly as what we want to shown, when we check it, sometimes they are they are menganggap they are make it wrong. I don't know, like that. So, like in case in here, the number 1 and 3 question are mistake. The number 1 and number 3 is mistake, even though I already like show the problem like exactly what I want. In here is exactly already same with what they want, but still mistake, still not correct. If the code equal 1, so they are leader, staff, and operator. Should I no? Satu karakter dari karakter ketiga. Satu karakter dari karakter. Iyalah. This is a simple but challenging. You know what? Like, what's wrong? One, two, three. Three, three, one. Exactly right. Same. But this number false. Is it text? True, right? Come on, what's wrong? What's wrong with this formula text? Text join substitute replace, not replace. Land fix let. A1M. I'm sorry. It's exactly if. What else? $exactly encode car upper value to text. Value to text no. No. Because it hasn't solved yet, I'm really hungry, so bon appetit. I'm so hungry, guys. So I will pause it for a while to get it and then continue to solve it again. Okay, I'm back. I have end. Yeah, I have already end. Then I'm going to continue this. So my mistake was my answer already exactly the same with in here, but I don't know why the system still not process it. Let's try the number 3. What is my mistake? So I need to read about the wait, this one, right? Okay. Left, mid, right. Mathematician. They say that I have to know the if function. So I think exactly to use if lookup mathematic to solve this. And I think for this one If I type it once, it will work. A for distributor, B engineering, C production, B engineering, D is quality control. Exactly. Should I? This is the same. My mistake are number 1, number 3. Will be NA. I was in a. Hey, bucket number 2. Another vision of me. Do you listen like noise from the outside? I'm sorry. It's just like my friend playing music. Not that loud, but if you can still hear it, just ignore it. Find strip and then with index here plus 1 equal 1 power. Equal 2 means stuff 3. 3. No. If equal 1, meet C43, number 3, 1 equal 3, operator to stuff. Let's check it out. What the heck? What's wrong? Come on. It's a mistake. What? Oh, I fail you. Where you? Oh. Once you let, I never know it. I wanna say it. Alright, fill a cup. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry I'm not talking a lot. Where's the mistake? I have solved it. If I don't know what is the mistake. Oh, I know I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. Oh my goodness. I mean, I've already solved it, but why the system detected that my answer is false? What are you waiting for? I already used the switch function, which is mid. Ah, what time is it? 9:50 actually. And then how long it has been? Almost 1 hour. I haven't solved it yet. Actually, what you know what? It's already solved. But this system still detect that there's a mistake. So that is weird for me. Like, see, like 1 and 3. I think it's no problem for now to have this result. Mistake is part of the journey, right? I will try to find it later because it already 1 hour almost, and I kind of sleepy right now. So yep.